are dancing under the moonlight, sailing far away from the skyline. Every port a new story waiting. With every laugh our hearts are rising. We're having a wild time on the world cruise, adventure of a lifetime, losing ourselves in the views. From sunrise to sunset, we're making memories. With every tide we're living our dreams. Tropical breezes whisper in our ears, chasing sunsets, leaving behind our fears. Through sandy shores to ancient ruins, the world's embrace, oh how it's blooming. We're having a wild time on the world cruise, adventure of a lifetime, nothing to lose. From sunrise to sunset, we're making memories. With every tide we're living our dreams. Oh, the stars above, they guide our way. With friends by our side, we never stray. Each moment we share a treasure to hold. Our hearts are alive, let the story unfold. So here's to the laughter, the joy and the views. We're painting our lives with every step we choose, with the ocean as a witness to our joyful spree.